In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the process of setting up your web hosting with HostGator. Whether you're starting a new blog, launching an e-commerce site, or just exploring what online hosting can offer you, this guide will help you make an informed decision with ease. To begin with, you'll need to visit HostGator's website. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a variety of options on the top menu. Here, you want to hover over Web Hosting. As you do this, a drop-down menu should appear, giving you the option to explore different hosting plans. Click on the option that matches what you're looking for. Typically, people choose between shared hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, or dedicated servers, so think about your needs and select accordingly. Having decided on a hosting plan, it's time to choose the package that suits your requirements. You'll find clearly outlined options that highlight different features and pricing. Once you've settled on the package that seems right, go on and click Choose Plan. This will allow you to proceed to the next step, which involves dealing with your domain name. As you're redirected, you'll reach a page asking for your domain name. If you already have a domain, you can enter it here. But if you're starting from scratch and need a new domain name, HostGator provides an option to search for available names. Remember, your domain is your online identity, so choose something memorable and reflective of your site's purpose. Now, it's time to move on to the cart page, where you'll specify your preferred billing cycle. Generally, plans are offered on a 1-month, 6-month, 1-year, or 3-year basis. If you're looking for the most cost-effective option, longer commitments usually come with discounts. Next up is considering the add-on products. These could be features like site backup, advanced security, or professional email options. It's perfectly okay to skip this step if you're not sure yet. You can always add services to your plan at a later time. Proceed to review your order. Verify everything has been correctly selected from your plan type to any additional features you've chosen. Once you're happy with your choices, click on Continue to Checkout. At the checkout page, you're required to fill in important details: your billing information, account details, payment methods, and billing address. Take your time to provide accurate details to streamline the payment process. This is the final step before the transaction, so double check everything is correct. Finally, once all required fields are filled, click on the Submit Payment button to complete your transaction. Congratulations! Your web hosting setup is complete and you're now ready to start building your website. If you have any questions or need further assistance, HostGator offers customer support